Hey tribe, welcome to the Mutant Vibes. So today we are going to turn these ice cream pots into small cute jewelry organizers. You can use them to give to your loved ones. So let's get started. And you're done. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tadas!